Here's the news of the day.
Airbus helicopters delivered two H225M helicopters to the French Air and Space Force, replacing Pumas for overseas missions and enhancing fleet capabilities with advanced avionics and equipment.
EHang's EH216S pilotless eVTOL completed its debut flight in Shanghai, marking a step toward urban air mobility, with plans for commercial operations across the Yangtze River Delta.
eVTOL Insights announces its North America conference in Palo Alto from April 9th to 11, featuring 16 sessions with industry leaders, plus its global AAM awards and sponsorship opportunities.
Skyway and True Weather Solutions integrate navigation and weather technology for safer, efficient eVTOL operations, supporting NASA's PAAV program for advanced AAM development.
IHI and IHI Asia Pacific launched a small-scale pilot facility in Singapore to produce SAF from hydrogen and CO2. The facility, developed with Singapore's A-Star, is aiming to achieve certification by late 2020s.
OMV and Airbus announced a partnership to decarbonize aviation through sustainable aviation fuel, aiming to increase SAF availability and stimulate large-scale production investments.
DS Dansuk delivered its first supply of SAF feedstock, processed at its Pyeongtaek plant, and secured a $750 million supply agreement with Phillips 66 to support SAF production.
Metafuels, a Swiss SAF developer, raised $9 million in an oversubscribed funding round led by Celsius Industries, bringing their total funding to $22 million for expanding their eSAF production technology.
NASCAR driver Garrett Smithley's dad, Captain R.K. Smithley, is piloting a DC-10 air tanker to battle California's historic wildfires, facing challenges like illegal drones disrupting firefighting efforts.
Veteran pilot R.K. Smithley, flying a DC-10 for 10 tanker, dropped 175,000 gallons of fire retardant to combat devastating Los Angeles wildfires, marking an unprecedented January deployment.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.